Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. I back with you a new lesson for you. Today we are look at some basic grammar lesson. Yes students, we are getting information with new topic pronouns. These, that, these, those. Oh students, you are getting some confused. Well, do you get confused with these pronouns? Let's we have look difference here and learn how to use correctly. Let's we move to picture. Here you can see the picture of girl. She is a girl and she has a pole. Oh, picture getting so much confusion. So let's be clear it. What is the meaning of this? How can, where can, we can use? This, that, those, these all are getting so much confusion. So today we have clear all the things. This singular pronoun which near to us. In this picture, girl girl is here and the ball is near to her. So we can use pronoun these. Let's we move next picture. Here the girl is standing, but the object of ball is far away to us. So we can use that, and the singular pronoun which is not near to us, we can use that. Okay, this thing we can told about singular pronoun. But what is the meaning of these and those? The pronunciation is difference. THIS this. But here THESE these. Plural pronoun which is near to us. We can use these. Here it is a girl and there are some balls which are near to her. So we can use these. Let's we move those. Here she is a girl and there are some balls, but it is far away to her. So we can use those. Again, I repeat all the things. Singular pronoun which is near to us means we can use these. Singular pronoun which not near us, we can use that. Now plural pronoun which is near to us, we can use these but in plural form. Plural pronoun which is not near to us but in plural form. So we can use those. Let's we move next diagram. Here there is some circle. THIS this, THES this, that, those. This is a tomato. Tomato is a single and we can use this for singular pronoun. Now I have 3 tomatoes and which is near to me. So we can use these because there are 3 tomatoes and which is near to me. So we can use these. This is a bangle and these are bangles which near to me. This is a pen, but I have more pens, so I use these are pens. But you say that कि ma'am, where can you use that or those? So let's we use. I say that is a tomato. Why I use finger? Because it is far away to me. So that's why I use tomato. So sentence is that is a tomato. Now I say I have 4 tomatoes and I use finger. So I say I can use those are tomatoes because we have 4 tomatoes and those tomatoes are far away to me. So that's why I use those. Again I say that is a bangle. So because bangle is one and it's singular and it's far away to me and I use finger to show the object. So it is, I say in the sentence, that is a bangle. But I have 3 more bangles. So I show my finger and I use those. Why I use those? Because those are so many bangles and it is far away to me. So that's why I use those pronoun. Now let's see one example. That is a pen and it is far away to me, and one thing, it is also singular, but I put 5 more pens and I use those because it is far away to me. I use fingers and it is in plural form. So that's why I say those are pens. Let's we solve it. First blank. Here is a picture of ice cream. Okay, student, tell me, it is one or one more than? Okay, it is one and it is the picture of ice cream. So everyone can like it. Okay, let's move. Here is a picture of ice cream, but ice cream is one and it is nearby to me. Then which can we use? This, that. Yes, we can use these. Yes, our answer is these. Okay, let's remove second blanks. Blank is an, what is the picture of it? Yes, it is an umbrella. Okay, umbrella is far away to us. Then what can we use? This, that, these, those. Yes, we can use that because of umbrella is one. It is far away to us. So that's why we can use that. Okay. It is a favorite fruit to all of you. Yes. Blank is an mango. It is the picture of mango. But mango is far away to us, na? Yes. And it is a one mango. So we can use that. Next question. These are the picture of flowers. 1, 2, 3. And it is nearby to us. So what can we use? Those or this? Yes, students, we can use these. Here, the picture of bottle guards. Oh, nobody likes it. Okay, let's resolve it. These are the picture of bottle guards, and it is near to us. So we can use, yes, these. Here also we write these. Now, 6 blank. This is the picture of pencils. 1, 2 and 3. But it is far away to me, and pencils are more than one, and it is far away to us. So we can use these or those? Yes, we can use those. Very good, student. Next, we move blank. It is the picture of flag, and it is nearby to us, and it is one flag. So what can we use? These or these? Yes, we can use these. Our last question. Blank is a chocolate. Aha, chocolate likes everyone. Okay, chocolate is one and it is far away to us. Then what can we use? These or those? Okay, we can use that. Very good. So, today I think our topic is clear. These, that, those, this. Let's we recapitulate once again. This singular pronoun which is near to us, we can use these, that. Singular pronoun which is not near to us, we can use that. Plural pronoun which is near to us, we can use these. Plural pronoun which is not near to us, we can use those. I think, dear students, the chapter will be very, very clear to us. Thank you.